Lazy BBQ Chicken Pizza. Quick and easy. First, we're gonna dice up some chicken. I used about 300 grams of chicken. Don't make the chicken too small, because when you cook them, they're gonna shrink. I also gonna use some broccoli, and I'm really making them small. I also first cook them for like 5 minutes in water so that they are a little bit softer. Put some good olive oil in the pan, and I'm gonna saute some white onions. And when the onions are done, I put in my chicken. And we're gonna cook the chicken. And when the chicken is done, I'm gonna pour over some honey barbecue sauce. Now let that simmer for a bit. And when it's done, take it off the heat and let it cool a bit, because we don't want the pizza to be soggy. And now comes the lazy part. I bought this pre-made pizza dough, and well, you can buy it in a local supermarket here. It's really good. So we're gonna use that as our base, and I'm adding more honey barbecue sauce. First, I'm gonna use a layer of cheese, a lot of cheese. Now I'm gonna put on the chicken, and there goes a lot of chicken on it, but that's how I like it. Now we're gonna add the broccoli. I think it's about 75 grams of broccoli. And on top of that, a lot of cheese. And I used a Gouda cheese. I really like Gouda cheese. And more honey barbecue sauce. The pizza will go in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. Look at this beauty. The cheese is all melted. I can really smell the barbecue sauce. Just perfect. Well, let's slice it. Ooh, it's really cheesy. Well, I'm gonna eat this bad boy. I want to thank you for watching my video. If you didn't subscribe yet, I highly recommend you do. Also leave a comment if you liked it, or if you have suggestions, or maybe you have a food request. Thank you, and see you next time.